There comes a time in life when we give up on the fast sports cars and choose something a little bit more practical or comfortable. An SUV or a station wagon. Hey, life's a series of compromises, no? But that's not always true on the water, or at least not necessarily. The new Atlantis 51 has the pure DNA of an open sports boat, with top-end performance, aggressive lines, and massive interior volume, with a lower deck dinette, galley, and 3 very comfortable cabins. It even has room for a 3.3 meter tender. Basically, it has it all. Becoming an iconic brand isn't just a question of image, style, or innovation. It's all of these things and much more. In fact, the Atlantis 51 has so many unique features that it was already a groundbreaking yacht when it was still in the design stage. They say the devil is in the details, and that's certainly true of the Atlantis 51. With her new bow shape, the stainless steel anchor shield emblazoned with the Azimut logo, and these 2 molded fins that recall the speed and grace of an agile marine mammal. Not forgetting the spacious foredeck, with its sunbed for 3 adults, folding bimini, adjustable backrest, integrated cup holders, and a beautiful touch this, the pop-up LED lights for those balmy summer evenings spent at anchor. All the exterior fabrics are available in optional battalion, a soft to the touch but extremely durable and easy to clean fabric. Performance and onboard space, thanks to the wide beam of 4.5 meters, are the defining features of the Atlantis 51. Now you'll notice next to the big comfy sunbed aft, we have this extra wide companionway, which is great for embarking, perhaps with heavy luggage, and also for accessing the swim platform with towels and other beach gear. The main deck is basically a big open space lounge, designed and furnished as a relaxing and sophisticated living area. But at mealtimes, it can be quickly and easily converted into a dinette. You know what's unprecedented in a sports cruiser of this size? It's the fact that opposite this classic C-shaped sofa, there's another divan with 2 pull-out poofs that can be arranged around the high-low coffee table, which of course extends and folds out to become a fully appointed dining table. Arguably the focal point of the Atlantis 51 is right here on the lower deck. Now the boat was specifically designed to offer 3 comfortable cabins, a dinette and a galley, all below deck. Now you won't find a layout like that on any other 50-footer. The fact that the galley is located directly in front of the dinette makes maximum use of the full beam. But it also means that the dinette itself becomes a cozy, sociable space for any time of day, not just at meal times. Thanks especially to the folding table, the extra thick cushioning of the divan, and the double thickness cushions for the backrests. If you want some technical details, instead of the picture here on the bulkhead, you can have a 40-inch screen TV. Under the stairs, a washer-dryer, dishwasher, and the well-appointed galley itself is equipped with Miele appliances, which is the only brand that tests its products up to the equivalent of 20 years. For a forward cabin, the owner's suite is amazingly spacious, with full height ceilings, loads of natural light coming in from the side windows and the double skylight. We have under the bed storage, we have hanging space behind me, we have a vanity table with a pull-out poof from under the bed, and we even have a small bookcase. The VIP cabin has been designed as a second suite, and the double bed can be separated into twin singles, as you can see here, thanks to the sliding rail system underneath the beds. And of course there's plenty of storage and hanging space, and even a vanity table for the ladies. We started this video by saying the Atlantis 51 is all about space and performance. In fact, she's powered by twin Volvo IPS 800 engines for a top speed of 35 knots. And the pod transmission provides great maneuverability, is easy to use and makes the boat a joy to drive. Moreover, with the huge side windows and big windscreen, you have great visibility, not just forwards but all around the boat. Apart from the electric barbecue integrated into the transom door, the aft deck is a good place to take a look at the decking solution. Now, this is made of Aztec, an innovative composite decking solution which has almost zero maintenance, has no expiration date. So that's the Atlantis 51. Offering the pure DNA of an open sports boat with interior space and comfort you'd never expect to find on a yacht of this size. For more information, visit www.azimutyachts.com.